Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can set the auto invest in the stake app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open the stake app, and after that we need to go to the wallet section. So let's go to the wallet section, and after going to the wallet section, simply we need to click on this invest option. So let's click on the invest, and then we have to choose the second option, which is called auto invest. So let's click on the auto invest here. And after that, as you can see, we have to read this carefully, and then we need to click on the setup now. So let's click on the setup now, and then we need to choose the diverse field theme, growth focus theme, or whatever you want, like the income focus theme. So let's choose this one here. And now as you can see, three properties per month: strategy, high yield, and balanced month properties. So if you are okay with this, you have to click on the select this theme. And after that, if you want to choose another, you have to click on the pick a different theme. So now what we have to do, we have to add a payment method, and every 8 month, as you can see, requiring deposit day. And after that, it will be charged the payment, and after that your amount will be auto invested. So in this way you can set up the auto invest on the stake app. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.